Welcome to Credit Card Show. Credit card information and Tomo credit card. Today we have a topic, special topic. If you don't have a credit card, try to apply for a credit card which is called Tomo. T-O-M-O, not tomorrow, but I said Tomo. It's a good credit card. It's a very good credit card because they are not checking the credit score, which you know when a lender check your credit score usually drop with 3 points or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm not a loan officer. I'm not a lender, and this show is not sponsored by any of the credit card. It's just my opinion to try to help people to get the best credit card they can in their life. So, Tomo credit card is the best credit card which I have found for you now, which you can apply and try to get those benefits. Though, I'm not sure if you like it because it has not much that of a cashback or point which we like to earn so we can have extra money to pay for our gas, to pay for our bills, to pay gas for the, those small things we like to buy. We can pay with the point which we earn. And thank you for watching, and if you like the topic, please consider to subscribe and also to hit the like button to help my channel to grow. In this topic today, it's a hard topic because we are heading for Thanksgiving, and also we are heading for Black Friday. Do you like to shop? Do you like Black Friday? Do you go spend your credit card without budgeting? You have to budget before you swipe that credit card, because when you swipe and use your credit card, you have to make sure you have money to pay back. You have to earn the money before you go swipe your card. You have to have that money in your bank. Don't just go see a Gucci bag, Cavalli, that or Mushino, gaming your Roblox, your coffee, you start swiping your credit card. Remember, in this channel we always talk about the credit card and how not to overspend, not to go over your budget, because that's not what you have. You have to plan before you swipe your credit card, because credit card, it's very important, and we usually use it for our emergency. We don't have to have credit card to build our credit score. You don't have to have that. If you use your credit card, you need to pay it all. And if you want to build the credit card you want to build your credit, then you have to pay half or small amount of the money so you will be able to build their credit. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy my topic, please consider to subscribe and also to hit the like button to help my channel to grow. If so many people they are trying to apply for that credit card, Tomo, means they will see that they have to do now credit check. So it's your obligation to try to apply for that credit card as earlier as soon as possible. Every single day we are busy working or doing other activities. It's your decision to make. When can you apply for that credit card? You can sit at work and try to apply for the credit card. And if you get a chance to get a credit card, leave me a comment below. I always bring a topic which will benefit you, or which you can Google and find out about the topic. Thank you for watching, and if you like my topic, please leave a comment below so we can continue to chat to help one another. I thank you everybody who has subscribed and who has viewed my channel. Thank you, and without you, I thank you for your support. I think if I had to give you a turkey, I will give you the best turkey for this year, as you know. And so, Tomo credit card, it's a very good credit card for everyone because they're not checking their credit score. Credit score is very important, and most of us, we are not able even to keep the credit score as higher as we can, because sometimes when you go and swipe your credit card, then your credit card it's drop. Whenever you are trying to go up, there is something will come. You have to swipe that credit card over 10%, and then your credit card will drop, which is not good for us. So where do we stand? When we swipe the credit card more, it's a problem. When we don't use it, we just stuck. But we don't have to use the credit card to raise our score. We just keep and use our credit card for our emergencies. Or we use it because we have that money to pay it back. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. For me, what I would like to tell you, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also click the that ring bell over there at the corner. That will help the algorithm to take me higher, and we might be able to have a gift, or we can do a live show whereby we can have a gift card or win something so you can play your game. I don't know which game you like, but most of you, I have seen people like to play the Roblox, or they like to buy iPhone, or some they like to buy coffee or food. I so thank you for those comments and people who are sharing whatever they have with the people who are homeless or whatever. I support them too. Sometimes I make a meal and I go and I help them, especially this time of pandemic. With Thanksgiving, we need to make special food for them, like turkey or whatever we can, water, and help them also to live a life like whatever we want to live. Thank you for watching, and if you like the topic, please consider to subscribe, and don't forget to apply the Tomo credit card, which has no credit score check, and we will be able to meet on the other side. Everybody, today is Tuesday. Today we're gonna talk about credit card information, credit card which is Tomo credit card. Tomo credit card is a new credit card, which is not new, but I know you have heard about it, or you have watched another videos talking about the Tomo credit card. With Tomo credit card, you don't need to do a credit check. Means the lenders, they are hungry to give you a credit card. As you know, I always talk about the credit card which give you a cashback, and also a credit card which give you point to use it when you spend your money. Always look for the credit card with a cashback. When you get credit card with a cashback, or when you get a credit with a point, you are the winner. You win the goal. Now, Tomo is not checking the credit score, which is very good. Your credit score is not falling apart, and you're not losing anything. And by now, if they are giving that credit card without the checking, it means they are hungry for giving out that credit card. So try your luck, try your best, try to get that credit card so you can buy Robux, coffee, you buy all those things you want for Thanksgiving, for Black Friday, for those Thanksgiving and those Christmas and Happy New Year, and spend that credit card. If they don't check the credit score, it means they are hungry to give it to people. Just if you are not on public, you can go to online and try to Google the credit card, and that information will be sent back to them, and they will send you some approval, pre-qualified, pre-approval, and then from there you will be able to apply for that credit card. I like to give you a topic about the credit card which has a cashback, which will get point, so we can spend that money with our friends, or when we don't have gas or coffee or money to get some snacks, we will have money to spend. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also to hit the like button when you enjoy my topic. We are heading for Thanksgiving, so I wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and also I wish you a good shopping for Black Friday. If you have enough money, I will be working and try to get more content for you for next week, so I don't go for shopping. Maybe I will shop online, but I will be looking for the best credit card for you, so I can give you an information and you will be able to get whatever you want. Whatever you get for credit card, if you are a beginner, or you are not a beginner, or you are trying to get a second credit card, try Tomo. And this, I'm not sponsored by any Tomo or any credit card. It's just for my opinion, and also it's my trial to get information to help my subscriber, my viewers, to get good information.